Hey guys, so it's the next video I'm going to be doing. It's these all-in-one type of games you plug in straight into the TV and kind of play them with the controller. You can see here, plug-and-play TV games. Someone had asked me to review or take one of these apart, so that's what I'm going to do right now. So pretty straightforward, just a few screws. I'm curious to see what's in here. I'm guessing it's going to be similar to what was in a Game Boy, probably like a mid-grade board, some gold maybe for the guys who take out extract the gold from boards and whatnot. A few more screws. I'm trying to do this as fast as I can. Oop. A little clumsy today with a screwdriver. So we have 4 crappy batteries. I doubt those work. I didn't even try testing to see if these work. My best guess is they probably still do work, but I've looked them up online and they don't sell for much. It's not worth the hassle to sell online, and that's pretty much the only way I sell is online. So we have a little battery here. Nothing special here. It's not the silver type ones that are actually worth keeping. These are just regular lithium batteries. So yeah, like I said, some cheap medium grade board, brown board, some wires. Nothing to write home about, that's for sure. Let's see the other side of this green board, if it's green on both sides or one's green and one's brown. Because once you see brown, it's pretty much low grade. I'm guessing the Hot Wheels game here I have to should probably be very similar. I know some of these could actually be worth quite a bit of money. You just have to fall in the right game, I guess. I didn't. So yeah, it's a full green board. I guess medium would be the most this would get. I would say it's more low grade, but I might be wrong with that. Definitely a little bit of gold, some monolithic, very small monolithic capacitors. Nothing too special. So amount of time it took to take one of these apart. I guess it's worth taking it apart. Like, I usually don't like taking too much time on these things, just because I could be doing something else and making more money. But I know some people just do it as a hobby. They like opening things up, taking things apart, see how things work. So definitely for those people it's worth it. You make a little bit of scrap money, you see how things look internally in one of these things and you know, have some fun. There's a couple more screws here. Like, I make these videos just for fun myself, just to kind of escape, I guess, when I want to do something else, something different. There you go. We got some cable, low to medium grade brown board, some gold for the gold extractors. Let's see about this one, the Hot Wheels game. See what's in that one. I'm pretty sure we're gonna find the exact same thing, but you never know sometimes. Two more screws, and this one's going to be apart. Oh, this one's from Mattel, 2005. That's interesting. Yeah, the other one was from Jakks Pacific. I think they were the first ones to start these kind of handheld game, plug-and-play games. And I think the guy who asked me about them pretty much called them handheld games from Jakks Pacific, if I remember correctly. There you go. So yeah, this one's about the same thing. Some cables, brown board, probably green here. Honestly, probably not more than 50 cents of scrap, maybe between both of them. Definitely not more than $1. I'd have to weigh this stuff, but I don't think I'm going to do that this time, just because I don't think it's worth the time. Sorry for me constantly clearing my throat. I'm at the, I guess, tail end of a sore throat and cold, so my throat's still bothering me a little bit. One more screw and we'll be able to see the other side of this thing. There you go. One more screw. There you go. So again, same thing. Got some gold for the gold extractors. A few monolithic capacitors. Some wire, obviously. And I think there's a switch here, so there's a little switch here, so maybe some silver in this thing. Very simple, typical scrap, I guess, if you want to call it. So I would say more like 50 cents in total of scrap, not more than $1, that's for sure. So that's what's in those plug-and-play video games, if any of you ever wondered what was in them. Some green board, a little bit of gold, a little bit of wire. That's it. So if you guys have any other I guess recommendations on items to scrap, Hopefully I have something lying around and I could scrap it, or maybe I can go hunt it down, do a scrapping video. If you guys have any suggestions, any comments, feel free to leave those under the video. Like, subscribe, and thanks for watching. Talk to you guys soon.